Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another new tutorial series. So today just we're going to explore for how to create database in MongoDB. For the database in MongoDB are container for the collections which is turned as the container for the document. So now I'll simply explain for the MongoDB create DB. Okay. So, first of all, here is creating a database in MongoDB. It is straightforward and can be done using the use command in the MongoDB shell. And let's explore for how it works for the some example. So, first of all, here I'm just going for is a new code editor for the MongoDB. And now I'm now going for here is a compass inside and this tag here. I'm just going to this is a new collection now here. So first of all you will see this say localhost ID. And now here I'm just simply create just click for this a connect button. Okay. So it's perfectly open for the localhost for this one. And now here I'm create for this is a new database. Okay. So you can see this is plus icon is create database. Okay. So here, first of all, I am click and now here I'm simply create a new database. So suppose here I'm just type this is a use. Okay. And now here I'm also create the collection name for it's the my for database. Okay. So here is simply create for the my database and now just when I just click for this create button and now perfectly create for the new database. Okay. So now just I'm click and here is a completely create for the new database and now so here I'm just going for you can see just going with database and now first is the test DB because I'm just previous the test purpose and where I'm create for this new database and this the admin for in this the MongoDB and this the block and book store for config and this config for and then data DB and now here I'm newly create for use for the database and the collection name for here is a my database. Okay, it is simply create for an exam this data query and here I'm just going for this index inside. So is a regular for is a documentation process and the aggregation and also the schema, then the validation. So it's once more option for is provide for the MongoDB compass and here just use for the simply now just going for here is a use inside for the use for the database and you can choose for here is a create for the another collection. Okay. So here is a completely use for this and you simply just you can choose for the another database just create now. So you can choose here. So just here I type so now first of all here I'm just remove for this test DB. So here I'm create for so now just remove this test DB. So type test DB to confirm your action. So now here I'm just type this drop for this test DB. So just I'm type okay it's not so tst for simply just I'm type for the DB. Okay so now it's a drop for this database and perfectly drop. Okay so here I'm used for the another create collection. So here I'm used for the same name. So first of all, here I'm just type this is a test for DB and create here the collection name. So it's not for the collection and here I'm just create first the database. Okay. So just going here and first of all simply I'm create for the test DB. It's not now. This is the test DB and here I'm used for the test DB name suppose like the data. Okay. So now here create database and you can see here is a perfectly create for this the database. Okay. So first time we stay for the database and this the data for the collection for the data. Okay. So here is a completely done and here I'm perfectly create for the new database for in this session. So I'm going to have it and I'm perfectly overview of creating database in MongoDB with some practical example. So I hope you're perfectly understanding and this tutorial helpful. So stay tuned for more MongoDB tips and tricks. Okay. So thank you for watching and happy querying for the data querying. Okay.